Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank y'all for those of you that do watch. I want to tell you guys how much I really do honestly and truly appreciate it. It means so much to me. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Anyway, today's video, it's a weird intro. Today's video is going to be the May 2018 Boxy Charm unboxing, and this is probably by far the one thing that I look forward to every month in the mail. For those of you who don't know, Boxy Charm is a $21 a month beauty subscription. Every month for 21 bucks, you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. Normally in the past, the way I did my videos was I would just open the box up. I didn't know what was in here. I would talk to you guys about them, and then I would tell you, oh, I'll use this or I won't use it. And that was just really boring. Oh, I'm going to give this a try. Oh, I'm definitely going to give that a try. Ooh, I'm going to give this a try. And that's really boring to just sit here and watch somebody tell you that they're going to give every item in the box a try. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to try everything out. So I'm going to do something a little different this month. I've already looked at my box, so I know what's in here. And I'm going to go through the box, tell you a little bit about it, and then afterwards, we're going to do a try-on. So here's my very first Boxy Charm unboxing try-on style. So let's just jump right on in here. So this month's theme, for those of you who don't know, is Boxy Bash. And I'm sure you've seen a million of these already. But, so what I'm going to just do is go ahead and jump into the first item in the box. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And this is what it looks like. And this retails for $38. So the box is $21. This is $38. Paid for the box already. I'm going to go ahead and throw this on. This has a weird kind of consistency to me. It's so soft. And I know that it's a blurring primer, and I know what blurring primers feel like. They're very silicone-y, but this does not have that silicone-y feel. This is almost, it's soft, but it goes on very like dry, if that makes any sense. I wish I could describe this feeling to you guys because it is totally kind of odd. I mean, it's a very odd feeling. I've never felt a primer like this. It has the same properties as like the Benefit Professional, but it's still drier than that. Softer. I don't know if I want to call it softer or drier. I'm not sure what this consistency is. I've never felt anything like it. So before we jump into the next item in the box, I'm just going to go ahead and throw on some foundation. Even though it's setting, I'm going to go ahead and grab the next item in the box. This is by a brand called Aesthetica. And this is, let me find it, the P12 Face Brush. And it looks like this with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control. The P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and pull out the other brush set in the box. This is also by Aesthetica, and this is a 3-piece eye trio. So you get the spoolie, and then you also get 2 other brushes in here that look like this. These retail, the face brush retails for $27, and the eye trio retails for $45. And it says the Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angled eyeliner, a brow spoolie, and a fine tapered eyeliner brush. Am I doing that right? This is the Pur Cosmetics Sculpture Kit, and it is a contouring and highlighting palette that looks a little bit like this. It is very beautiful, and that is where we're going to go ahead and dive right on into this now. My Dior is not set like I thought it would be, so I'm just going to reach over here and grab a little bit of my, of what we got to work with. So let's jump into this contour palette. I'm really excited about this. So I'm just going to go in with this lighter color right here. And a lot of kickback. Not a problem for me. And I'm just going to, oh wow. Oh my God. that transfers onto the skin so beautifully. Do you see that? Watch. Oh my God. You can see my cheekbone here. Let's do it over here and see what happens. That is so pretty. And then this brush is so beautiful and soft. It really just blends everything out so it looks natural. I'm going to tap into that a little bit more and just contour that 5 head of mine a little bit. Because, yeah, I mean, obviously I have a huge forehead. So we're going to contour the shit out of that on into highlights since we have this palette out. We're going to go ahead and use the highlights in this palette. So there's 2 in here, and I'm going to swatch those for you. We have Originator, which is on top, and Trailblazer. And I just want to give you a nice little swatcheroo real quick. Look how pretty that is. This is Originator and Trailblazer, but I think I'm going to use Originator, which is the lighter one on top. And I'm just going to go in here and it's a nice highlight. You want to kick off that excess, but that is really nice. I really like it. Let me see. I like to look in the viewfinder and see how it looks on camera, but I'm looking at it over here and I'm really kind of enjoying it. I kind of want to just kind of blend it in with my fingers just a little bit, but it's so pretty. I really like this highlight a lot. And this is one of the things that really excited me the most. This is by Pretty Vulgar, and this is the, what is this? The ink eyeliner, and it looks like this. It looks like a little old-fashioned inkwell. I feel like I need like a feather quill eyeliner brush to apply this, honestly. I love this. I love this aesthetic. It's gorgeous. And this is the ink gel eyeliner, and this retails for $24. This is a highly pigmented gel eyeliner that provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for a smooth application that stays in place all day. So we are going to go ahead and try that out right now. I'm going to use this teeny tiny little brush that came with the set, and let me get a mirror real quick. I don't have a lot of space to work with right here. I don't know if you guys can tell that right now. But I'm going to grab a little mirror and just dip right in here. Well, that's way too much. And I'm going to start with a wing first and just see how this feels. I want to zoom you guys in just a little bit so we can kind of experience this together. And oh, wow. I went a little bit too far with that, but let's bring it in a little bit. A little bit of practice. This could be my new favorite eyeliner, honestly. Certainly a wear test is in order, but I'm used to like the little pins with like the felt tip, like the Kat Von D tattoo liner. But this liner, y'all, honestly, I'm a little shook. I really am. I'm a little shooketh. Now, I know I didn't put on any eyeshadow because none came with the box this month. So what I'm actually going to do is just kind of go back into this palette, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of that lighter color that I contoured with, which is the shade Inventor. And I'm just going to lay a little bit of that down into my crease just to give myself a little bit of color here and complete this look, because I always feel like I look a little washed out when I put my eyeliner on and don't have any mascara. So this is just my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is like the best dupe in the world for the Too Faced Better Than Sex, which is my absolute most favorite mascara ever to be invented. I about dropped that. So I just want to go ahead and jump into the last item in the box, and I got something different. I have seen a couple of reviews. I coughed there. I didn't like that cough. I have seen a few reviews on this, I'm not gonna lie, and everybody else got like this Boxy Charm and some other company collab where the lip thing actually came in a box, and this is what I got. Mine came just like this, and so I think I got a variation. The Han Skincare Cosmetics All Natural Lip Gloss, and Han, this is healthy and natural, so this is the healthy and natural lip gloss, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. And this is a very neutral nude color. I mean, this is really like almost the same color as my lips. So we've created a super, in my opinion, like a really super natural look with today's box today. And also, yes, the elephant in the room is my hair and this new growth. I can't help it. Sorry, nude rose. I don't know if I got a variation or what. But this was definitely a little bit different than what I saw in other boxes. But anyway, that is the box, you guys. Oh, my voice is so scratchy. I got $179 total retail value. That is an amazing value. You're paying $21 for the entire box, and you're getting some really great products. And 179 bucks, you guys, that is not bad for the amount that you put into it. So, yeah. If you're interested, just go to boxycharm.com. I wish I could say that they're sending this box for me free for review, and I had a link down below, but I don't. I don't get PR. I have 72 followers. Anyway, I'm thankful for every single one of them too, by the way. I love my little channel. I really do. I enjoy doing this. This is something that I look forward to coming home and doing as soon as I can carve out the time for it. I so look forward to doing this. It is so much fun, and I appreciate each and every one of you who watch this channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. I really do appreciate my subscribers, and I love each and every one of you. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see. I want to do new content. I want to be fresh and exciting. Let me know what you want to see, what you want me to do, because hey, I'm up for just about anything within reason. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate this. You guys mean the world to me, and as always, you guys have an amazing night or an amazing day wherever you are. I love you all. Mwah. Goodbye.